indication of possible Ripple settlement or SEC withdrawal of appeal. Vincent Van Code, a well-known cryptocurrency analyst, recently hinted at a potential settlement or withdrawal of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC appeal in its case against Ripple Labs. In a tweet, he stated that while the possibility exists, it may not occur in the short term. He emphasized a cautious approach, suggesting investors focus on market momentum for short-term strategies, adding a disclaimer that his insights are not financial advice. Van Code's comments coincided with an announcement by KuCoin, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, which declared it had settled with U.S. authorities. KuCoin highlighted that the settlement represents a major step forward in its regulatory journey, solidifying its compliance efforts while continuing to serve over 38 million users globally. This development has intensified speculation about regulatory outcomes for other major crypto-related cases, such as Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the SEC. Impact of SEC closed meeting under acting chairman Mark Uyeda. Further fueling speculation is the SEC's closed meeting on January 23, 2025. According to a Times tabloid report, this meeting was the first significant action under the agency's new acting chairman, Mark Uyeda. With no public disclosure of the topics discussed, many within the crypto industry speculate about its potential implications, particularly for Ripple's case. An ex-user commenting on Van Code's tweet noted that decisions made during the meeting could require 3 days before the announcement. If accurate, this would place January 26th as a potential date for news regarding Ripple. However, the SEC has not confirmed any connection between the meeting and its litigation against Ripple. Ripple's case has been a centerpiece of regulatory debate since its inception. The SEC alleges that Ripple conducted unregistered securities offerings through XRP sales. While Ripple recorded a partial victory in 2023 when a court ruled that XRP was not a security when sold on secondary markets, the SEC appealed the decision, leaving the case unresolved. Regulatory clarity remains a priority for the crypto industry. KuCoin's successful settlement highlights the increasing importance of regulatory clarity for cryptocurrency platforms in the United States. The exchange emphasized that its agreement with U.S. authorities would help strengthen compliance and innovation. For Ripple, achieving a similar resolution could be transformative, potentially setting a precedent for the broader crypto ecosystem. Vincent Van Code's cautious optimism reflects the view of many analysts who believe a Ripple settlement is possible but not imminent. Until an official announcement is made, the market remains in a state of uncertainty. As Van Code advised, short-term traders may be better served by monitoring market momentum rather than making speculative bets on the timing of a settlement. XRP forms bullish pattern eyeing $4 surge. The USDT paired chart. On the USDT paired chart, the third largest cryptocurrency has been making higher highs and lows over the past few months, breaking above multiple resistance levels. At the moment, the market is gradually rising inside a rising wedge, which is mostly considered a bearish reversal pattern. Yet if the pattern is broken to the upside, an aggressive rally could be expected in the coming weeks, which could see XRP trade above the $4 mark. Ripple versus SEC case over. XRP holders confused by new twist resolution at last. Several hours ago, the crypto community got puzzled after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, seemingly removed the lawsuit against Ripple from its website. Many members of the XRP army interpreted this as good news, with some suggesting this may have marked the end of the case. A thorough look shows that the legal action has indeed been deleted from the regulator's litigation releases section. However, the popular U.S. Attorney Jeremy Hogan cleared the air by saying that the Ripple versus SEC battle remains visible on the actual appellate court website, is still there, and nothing new has been filled, he added. The lawsuit dates back to December 2020 when the commission accused Ripple and some of its executives of raising over $1.3 billion through an unregistered securities offering by selling XRP tokens. The entities threw multiple punches at each other in the following years, and some believe the company currently has the upper hand. After all, the SEC is no longer led by the former anti-crypto chairman Gary Gensler. He resigned on January 20th, the day of Donald Trump's inauguration, and was replaced by Mark Uyeda, who has a much more positive stance toward the digital asset industry. Additionally, Ripple has secured some vital yet partial court wins. Ripple is pumping unbelievably, folks. You are witnessing a historic moment in XRP history. This is the kind of breakout that investors have been waiting for, and it's happening right before our eyes. Now is not the time to sell. Hold strong and keep multiplying your investment. With this momentum, XRP could be heading toward unprecedented levels. The crypto market is unpredictable, but when a coin shows this kind of strength, it's a sign that something big is happening. Stay patient, stay focused, and watch as XRP continues to make waves. This could be just the beginning of something massive. XRP lawsuit suddenly disappears from SEC website. And is the long legal battle finally over? In a key development that has captured the attention of XRP enthusiasts, the Ripple lawsuit has seemingly vanished from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's website. Some crypto commentators speculate that this could signal the end of the prolonged legal battle over the XRP cryptocurrency. SEC removes Ripple lawsuit from its website. Eagle-eyed crypto analysts quickly noticed that the SEC had removed Ripple-related civil actions from its website. However, an ex-user identifying as an attorney clarified that the SEC website does not matter, noting that the case has simply been moved to the Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. The appeal is still open in the court's nationwide PACER system. I am an attorney. I just logged in, wrote the user, who goes by the online moniker Shell Avocat. The last entry is Ripple's request for a time extension to file its brief. The case status is still shown as active. That may change soon. On January 23rd, Ripple requested a due date of April 16, 2025 to submit its response brief. Now, this followed the SEC's opening brief on January 15th, in which the top regulator asked the court to overturn key aspects of a previous ruling regarding XRP sales to retail investors. U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres previously ruled that while XRP itself is not a security, Ripple's sales to institutional investors qualified as securities transactions. Ripple was hit with a $125 million fine in August 2024, prompting the SEC to appeal the ruling and the blockchain payments company to file a cross appeal. Ripple optimistic that the next SEC chairman will withdraw XRP lawsuit this year. Although the XRP lawsuit remains active, Ripple executives believe it could be dismissed by a new crypto-friendly administration at the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderati, recently stated that the next SEC chairman, once confirmed by the Senate, could potentially drop crypto enforcement cases that do not involve fraud. Speaking in a Tuesday Spaces discussion for XRP Community Day 2025, Alderati expressed optimism that under potential chairman Paul Atkins, the SEC would likely dismiss the lawsuit this year. Litigation and regulation by enforcement are not the paths this country should be pursuing. I believe the new SEC understands that, and I remain cautiously optimistic that at some point in 2025, the case will be voluntarily withdrawn, he remarked. XRP looks like the best altcoin. Veteran trader shares his analysis. Jacob Canfield, a seasoned trader and analyst, shared his thoughts on XRP's short-term price performance. The Ripple-linked cryptocurrency is, ironically, among his top altcoin picks right now. XRP shows the best altcoin chart, says top trader. XRP, the third largest cryptocurrency, appears to be gaining bullish momentum, according to prominent trader and crypto commentator Jacob Canfield. XRP currently boasts the best chart among altcoins, and Canfield demonstrated two crucial levels XRP has surpassed in recent weeks. First, it managed to turn the resistance zone at $2 into strong support. Then it found the next support at $3 and is still staying above this crucial level. Since November 2024, the XRP price surged by 500% over $3 for the first time in 7 years. However, the XRP price's all-time high, registered in January 2018 at $3.84, is yet to be surpassed. XRP Army excited by Community Day 2025. Right now, the global audience of XRP supporters is excited by the announcements and prospects of XRP Community Day 2025, a hybrid global gathering for the XRP Ledger and Ripple ecosystems. For instance, Judge Torres ruled in 2023 that the firm's XRP sales on crypto exchanges did not constitute securities transactions. The SEC officially appealed that verdict in October 2024, prolonging the case indefinitely. The possible outcome scenarios. Earlier this month, U.S. Attorney John Deaton, who represents thousands of XRP investors in the lawsuit against the SEC, observed the latest developments in the legal tussle and outlined three potential options for a final resolution. The first one involves continuing the regulator's appeal. The second is a dismissal of the plea, which would require Ripple to pay a previously ordered penalty of $125 million. Last summer, Judge Torres ruled that the firm must settle the amount due to violating certain rules. Some of Ripple's executives were more than pleased to do so, considering that the fine represented a fraction of the $2 billion the SEC initially insisted on. Deaton's third scenario, which seems most unlikely, includes the SEC withdrawing its appeal and scrapping the firm's $125 million fine. Ripple stable coin, 107% backed by U.S. Treasury bills, cash deposit. December report shows XRP has entered a phase of tightening volatility as the Bollinger Bands squeezing on the 12-hour chart indicates. Technical analyst Ali Martinez highlighted this observation in a tweet. Historically, such contractions in price range often signal that a major move is imminent. Martinez suggested that this time would likely be no different. XRP tightening Bollinger Bands and what could follow. Notably, after a strong rally that pushed XRP above $3.30 in mid-January, the price has since stabilized, hovering near the middle band. The initial surge saw a series of bullish candlesticks, but resistance near $3.30 led to a period of sideways movements. During this time, XRP revisited lows around $2.70, but has since recovered, settling in the $3 range at press time. Now, with the Bollinger Bands narrowing, traders are bracing for a breakout in either direction. If XRP breaches the upper band, it could trigger another leg up, possibly revisiting its all-time high at $3.84, an event the XRP community has eagerly awaited for 7 years. Conversely, a drop below the lower band could open the door to a deeper retracement. Notably, Martinez offered no clear indication of whether XRP would experience a breakout to new all-time highs or a breakdown toward December's lows. Market participants commenting on his post repeatedly sought his opinion on the next market direction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for my next update.